What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, we have a very special unboxing. The guys over at JP Fiberglass hit me up and asked me if I wanted to rock their new kit. So they gave me a really good deal on this, and as you guys know, the Z hasn't been changed up for quite a bit. The bumpers and stuff that I've made for the car, it's been on the car for the past 5-6 years that I've owned it. I never really switched it up because, you know, I made those bumpers, as you guys see in the channel, like it's custom, no one has them, which I liked it, but I was kind of getting old and I was kind of getting used to it too much, so I wanted to switch it up and, you know, give the car just a different, fresh look. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Go ahead in the comments and guess which kit this is if you guys don't already know. All right, so pause the video, don't cheat, go ahead and guess, type it in the comments, and yeah, let's go.
Well, it came with rackets.
Oh, a good deal. This is what we wanted. So this is going to be the back bumper.
Oh, it looks good. It doesn't look too long, like how the pictures look.
Let's just lay it off before we put it next to the car. Here's the front bumper.
Hi, Daddy.
Look at nice. Look at this. This is nice. Look at these sensors. This is nice.
Wow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not bad. The only damage is on the front bumper, but I have to cut it up anyway because the car is wide body, as you guys know. So yeah guys, so this is the new kit from JP Fiberglass. They just released this. This is the 370Z Nismo styled kit right here. As you guys can see, it looks very nice. They were able to take the 370Z Nismo and pretty much mold it to the 350Z. So we're gonna go ahead and test fit these parts right now. The car has wide body fenders, so I'm gonna have to find a way to create this extra piece because I molded this top half and I cut this right here. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to cut up this bumper to match. So one thing that I'm worried about is if the bumper is gonna fit with this bash bar. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to fit with OEM styled bumpers, or most aftermarket bumpers, but it didn't really fit with the way that I cut up this bumper and put it back together. It was kind of like hitting. So we're gonna go ahead and see if that bumper fits with this bash bar. If not, we're gonna have to modify and hopefully get it to fit and make sure it looks good. Why are you being so extra? Recording. I'm gonna take off the bash bar just so that way I can test it. I'm gonna cut the side skirts off because they're held on with zip ties, and then we're gonna go ahead and test with the side skirts too. Sorry, why did I use this bolt? At least it's coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and test fit the front bumper and the side skirts because, as you guys can see, the sun is already going down. We got cotton candy skies, so we're losing lighting, and Christine is taking up all the garage space, so we're gonna have to test fit the bumper, the rear bumper, tomorrow. But just to get a good idea how this is gonna look, I want to air out the car because I want to see this thing on the ground. Last video I had a butt crack all out.
You got your butt cracked out in this video too.
Well, you can tell me.
Like, they don't have enough top, yeah?
Huh?
Like they don't have enough top. Like it slants in.
It's also too low.
Oh.
Yeah, no, my car is too slam. I can't even test fit the side skirts on it with it aired out. It's on the door. It needs to go.
If you tried a little harder, you could probably do it.
Oh, you mean it aired up? No, it's for real. I don't think it's good.
You so exaggerate.
Alright guys, so it's the next day and we're gonna go ahead and continue where we left off with test fitting the body kit. We ran out of light yesterday, so we're gonna just continue on today. So here we are. We have the rear end of the 350Z stripped. I'm gonna try fit it with the exhaust, but this exhaust was welded to the bumper that I made, so we might have to adjust a little bit. So I don't know if the tips are gonna fit is what I'm trying to say, pretty much. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the bumper, see if it'll fit. If not, we're gonna have to take off the muffler and fit it on there. And yeah, so let's go ahead and try that right now. All right, lift this up right here. I do have to take the muffler off, or at least drop it a bit. So let me go do that real quick. Okay guys, so that took about 20 minutes and I managed to get a bit dirty, but we accomplished what we needed to do. Get the muffler off, so now we can go ahead and test fit the bumper. Alright, that's not that bad. Okay guys, so we got the rear bumper on and it looks good. I think it looks good. The edges line up good. The only part that for me, this gap right here, it's not really that bad honestly, but it's not sitting flush. That's pretty much the only thing. These probably just needs to be shaved down just a little bit right here for it to fit good. And then this gap right here, but the rest, it fits pretty decently. I'm actually surprised. It lines up really well with my over fenders. All right guys, what do you think? Let me go ahead and get the side skirt on so I can pull this out in the sun and we can get a better look at it. Okay guys, so I got the car all together and I have it in the driveway and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Are you guys ready? Are they ready, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, Kaylee says you guys are ready. Ready? Bam! Check it out, guys. Oh, you can't see in the shadows, but yeah, look at it. Okay guys, so this is the side skirts right here. I can't air it down all the way because it's on the bumper, but I need to extend it like that much anyway, and then I'll be able to air it all the way out. Same with the rear. It's touching the bumper under the fender, so I'm gonna have to cut part of the bumper out so I can get the car to sit all the way down. But yeah guys, what do you guys think? I'm super excited. One thing though, I'm gonna run the front bumper and I'm gonna run the rears. I don't know if I'm gonna run the side skirts yet because I kind of like the look of this. I like the side skirts that I'm already running a little bit better, but go ahead and drop a comment down below and tell me what you guys think. You guys like those ones better or you like the new ones? Let me know, I'm very curious to know. Okay guys, so one thing I should mention about these side skirts is I was told to push them on the OEM side skirts and then mold them to it. So that's how they get them to fit so good. So it's pretty much like a shell that you put on top of the OEM side skirts. So yeah, the fitment is good. because it's pressed over the OEM side skirts. Now on the rear bumper, like I said, the only issue that I was having on this specific bumper is this corner right here, which is not a big deal since the bumper needs to be modified anyway for the wide fenders. So I just want to mention, because I hear a lot of people complaining about fiberglass parts from pretty much everywhere, just know that if you're gonna buy a fiberglass part, it might not fit perfect the first try, and it might take a little bit of massaging and molding to get to fit perfect. That's because fiberglass actually warps over time, especially in heat from like shipping and stuff. So just make sure you have an understanding about that. It's not like a polyurethane or a plastic bumper. You know, these parts actually do have warpage that occurs from heat. So if your part doesn't fit the first time, that's probably what happened. If you're gonna complain about fiberglass parts, I would suggest you go ahead and buy plastic bumpers. It will save you a lot of headache, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and start on this build and getting the bumpers to fit perfectly and molding them, or you know, get them to fit nicely to the car. And hopefully, you know, we'll get this car looking good. Christine is over here still working on her car, but you know, this car will probably be done before that car. Nah, I'm just kidding. Okay guys, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. If you guys are excited for the way the cars are turning out, make sure you guys drop a comment and give us a big thumbs up. We really appreciate it. If you guys are new and haven't subscribed yet, or even if you're a returning viewer, just make sure you guys go and hit the subscription button. You guys are not going to miss what's going on at this channel and what's going to go on this year. Hit the post notification to be part of the post notification gang. And thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate you guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one, all right? Peace out and stay good.